Cockatiels are charming and intelligent birds, making them popular as pets. They are known for their playful personalities, affectionate nature, and ability to mimic sounds and love music.
Kiki, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Silence.
Cockatiels are relatively easy to care for, requiring a spacious cage, a balanced diet of seeds, pellets, fruits, and vegetables, and regular social interaction. They can live up to 15-25 years with proper care. Having a cockatiel can be rewarding as they can bond closely with their owners, enjoying cuddles and companionship. Follow if this looks like a great pet.